Today we will do forearm stretches, which are beneficial for pain in the hands, wrists, and elbows. We're going to start by coming down onto your knees with toes curled and heels up. Gently place the palm of the hands on the floor. Elbows should be facing forward and fingers point towards the knees. Once you are in the correct position, gently lean back, bringing the hips towards your feet. You should feel a stretch across the length of the arm facing out. You should also feel some stretch across the inner wrist. You want to hold this stretch for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing gently, without putting too much pressure or weight on the arms and wrists. Next, turn the hands over, bringing the backs of the hands to the floor, still with the fingers pointing towards the knees. There should be almost no weight on the hands. They are just placed on the floor. This is very important for this stretch. The inner elbow should still be facing forward. This is slightly tricky because the external rotation comes from the shoulders. You should feel a stretch on the outer portion of the forearm and the back of the wrist. You can gently lean back to deepen the stretch, but again, you are not putting any weight on the hands. After about 15 to 20 seconds, come up and gently shake out the wrists. Continuing up the chain, it is important to loosen the neck and shoulders. This can be good for all sorts of things. We are going to start with rotating the shoulders back, making big circles. Make sure the spine is straight, head should not be forward. Rotate for a count of 8, then reverse directions, trying to exaggerate the highest and lowest points of the circle, both lifting and dropping the shoulders. After a count of 8 in that direction, press the shoulders down and tilt the head to one side, bringing the ear towards the shoulder. Gently grab the head to deepen the stretch. Sometimes just the weight of your hand on your head is enough of a stretch. Repeat on the other side. Again, be sure that your spine is straight and the neck is in line with the shoulders. Return to neutral position and tilt the head forward, bringing your chin towards your chest. Then lift the head and stretch back. You may feel a stretch across the front of your throat. Your chin should be pointing towards the sky. Return to neutral again and turn the head looking over one shoulder and then the other. You may repeat this several times. We're going to finish with a gentle half circle. Imagine you are drawing an open letter U with the crown of your head. You're going to rotate from side to side, leaving the chin down for the most part and using the crown of your head. Repeat. This last stretch is a simple countertop dip, good for relieving tension in the neck and traps. With the elbows pointing away from you, lower down, allowing your neck to scrunch up. Hold for about 10 seconds, then release, coming back to a standing position. Repeat 3 to 4 times. In addition to neck pain, these can be good for general stress, tension, and headaches.